we could not avoid. So we invited you so that we can issue a statement to Kenyans on the way forward, since there has been questions on where are we and what is expected from NASA. So we have a press statement here which is going to be read by Bon Halole, who is the co-chair of the NASA coalition, and thereafter will be guided by Dennis Onyango on questions, and we'll respond to them. Bonnie.
Thank you. Today we are here to announce the next major milestone in the establishment of People's Assembly, the unveiling of the organizing committee. We wish to make it very clear that Kenyans cannot and shall not accept the blatant usurpation of power by the Jubilee administration and its determined effort to revert this great nation to an authoritarian rule and the attendant abuse of our human rights. This unashamed abuse was plain for all the world to see when we sought to hold a peaceful memorial service for 26 supporters who were killed by trigger-happy security forces. Their only crime was to welcome our leader, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, upon his return from overseas engagement. The state unleashed its security forces again on Tuesday, the 28th November, to stop them from mourning their departed compatriots. It cost 5 more lives, including that of a 7-year-old boy by name Geoffrey Mutinda, who was shot as he played on the balcony at his parents' home, shot by the same police that was expected to protect him. Their blood demands that there must be change in Kenya, and we, the people, as their fathers, as their mothers, spouses, sisters, their brothers, have resolved that electoral justice is a reality in Kenya. Majority of the Kenyans did not participate in, and neither do they recognize, the October 26 presidential election. Hence, as per Article 1(1) of the Constitution, have not individually and collectively delegated their sovereignty to Uhuru Kenyatta. We assert, as per Article 1 of the Constitution, the right of the citizens to exercise their sovereignty at the county level is not subject to supervision or veto by the national government. As we embark on the final pillar of restoring democracy, just government and legitimate leadership, the following individuals will deliberate on and produce the roadmap towards the achievements of those objectives through the People's Assembly, which will lead us to a free and fair election or the path of self-determination. They are Dr. David Ndii, MS Judy Sijeni, Hamida Kibwana, Dr. Mutaha Kangu, Dr. Odwor Ongwen, Koitamet Olekina, and Mr. Peter Mathuki. The work of this organizing committee will be to guide, facilitate, and coordinate the programs of the various assemblies across the country. It will further set up an oversight and beside a national secretariat that will be the center for the activities of this assembly, amongst other duties. I thank you all.
Do you want it in Swahili? When we try to put it in Swahili. Leo ikiwa ni tarehe mosi ya mwezi wa 12 mwaka 2017, tumewatahadharisha kama nyinyi waandishi wa habari kwamba tungependa kutoa taarifa kwa Wakenya kupitia muungano wa NASA wa taifa letu. Sisi tunataka kuwaambia Wakenya kwa wazi kwamba Wakenya wamekataa na wanaendelea kukataa uwezo na nguvu inayotumiwa na serikali ya Jubilee, wa huku wakiendelea kutukana mamlaka na madaraka waliopewa na katiba yetu kama wasimamizi wa nchi. Hii tabia ya haibu ya juu namna hii imeweza kuhatarisha na kuleta uhasama kati ya Wakenya, kwa sababu watu wengi, na hasa ukikumbuka siku kiongozi wa NASA, muungano wa NASA, Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga aliporudi kutoka.
Well, there you have former Machakos Senator Joseph